is Wil.Daria coming to you live. Wil.Daria of the New York Power Couple. How is everybody doing this morning? I want to thank you. For this journey. And well, good Lord, we're not even a quarter of the way yet. Today is day 45. Day 45. 45 consecutive days where I have been reading from the works of 𝐈𝐧𝐼𝐧𝐼𝐴 Acts of Faith. I think it's a $10 book here. Get a copy, join me, do your own journey, whatever it takes, get this book. I highly recommend it. And we are dealing with the self portion here. And it starts off with, a delay is not a denial. Let me repeat that. A delay is not a denial. This is a quote by the Reverend James Cleveland, I believe late. I don't think he's with us, but if I'm mistaken, please forgive me. It says, patience is a virtue many do not possess. We have very little difficulty identifying what we want and need. Difficulty comes in waiting for it to manifest. We become nervous, doubtful, even fearful when we don't see our good coming as quickly as we think it should. Sometimes we even allow ourselves to believe someone or something can hold us back or stop our good from coming. We worry, we complain, and sometimes we give up hope. We cannot see how to get in our own way. We forget about our universal timing and divine order. We may not realize how our negative thoughts, doubts, and fears uproot the positive seeds we plant. We just don't understand that we do not have the desire unless the supply were ready to come forward. We must learn the virtue of patience, because every time we open the oven door, we run the risk of making a good cake fall. I have all the time in the universe. Wow. Powerful. That thing called patience. Sometimes I wonder, I'm a watchman. I collect watches. This is my own little stuff. I got a few watches. I just happen to like them. I like style. I wear them. They add a nice accent to my wardrobe and whatever. But patience is something that I myself had to learn. I had to learn to wait, because everywhere you go, there's a clock reminding you that you have to go. That's the kind of world we live in. Forget about being. Forget about doing. Forget about a lot of things. There's always a clock there to remind you that you have to go. And think about it. On a deeper level, time is a construct created by man to help him measure his work. When we look at life, there's really no time. When you think about it on a much deeper level, because where I am now at some point was a future, and where I am now at some point will be my past. So the only constant that we truly do have relative to time is to be present. That might be too deep for some of you, but patience. Patience is the essence of living. Nothing happens overnight. Everything is a process. There are stages, and there's the process. And in order for you to get from point A to point B is a step. So I'll leave you all with that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you catch the replay. And if you want to watch the previous 45 days, you can do a hashtag Our Mindset, hashtag Ask Willie and Daria. That's Willie with a Y. Or hashtag the New York Power Couple. Y'all have a powerful, great morning, great day, great life. And I will see y'all tomorrow. God bless. Peace.